Hey everyone! So today I am working on finishing a mirror that I picked up at a secondhand store, and I'm using some chalk paint. So as you can see, I've completed 2 coats of the Debbie's DIY paint in Mermaid Tail. And then I am applying a clear coat of wax using Annie Sloan clear wax. And this will allow me to put another color on there and distress it. So the wax is dried and I'm just getting the excess off, and then now I'm using kind of a dry brush technique to apply some black paint over top to give this a distressed finish. And really the trick with chalk paint is less is more. You don't want to be a perfectionist, you just gotta kind of go with it, because the more you mess with it, you can kind of peel it up and you won't be happy with the finished product. So now I'm applying clear wax once again with a brush, and then I'll wipe off the excess with a cloth and allow it to dry, and this just has a nice sheen to it, and it will seal the paint, and as you can see, it makes the colors more vibrant as well in the chalk paints. And there we have it at the end, and it matches a table that I painted last year. Until next time, this is Heather with Just Moosing Around.